just a quickie about the wastefulness of packaging from electronic distributors. So I received this package. Yeah, nice package. And I opened it. This is not staged, okay? This is absolutely not staged. And let me remove the paperwork in case my name is somewhere on it. And between the paperwork, there is one little bag from Valor. Yeah, look at that video. Containing a tip for soda iron. Yeah, that was the tip I was waiting for, 2 millimeters. I like that size. Don't ask me why. Sizzle, form. Anyway, that's what was contained in this box. Bye.